Hello everyone, I'm so glad to meet you in the another new video. Today it's all about misspelled words. Misspelled words is something to spell a word wrongly. Commonly we are misspelling most of the English words, and today in this video you are going to see around 10 words which are commonly misspelled and the correct spellings are also followed by it. Firstly, it's calendar. Calendar is a list that shows the days, weeks, and months of a particular year, which is commonly spelled as calendar. But actually, the real spelling is calendar, and that's calendar. This is the right spelling for calendar. Next, a line of people or cars, something that are waiting for doing something is called queue. And it is commonly misspelled as QUE. But the right spelling is QUEUE, and that's QUEUE. I repeat, QUEUE is the right spelling for queue. Next, the ordinal number for number 12, that is, which comes next to 11th is 12th. It is commonly misspelled as 12th, that is TWELTH. And the right spelling for it is TWELFTH, and that's 12th, TWELFTH. This is the correct spelling for 12th. And the next word is the concept of buying and selling things as a way of earning money is called business. It is commonly misspelled as business, BUISNESS. And let's see the right spelling for business. That's BUSINESS, and that's business, BUSINESS. This is the correct spelling for business. Next, a daughter of someone's brother, sister, brother-in-law, or sister-in-law is called niece, which is commonly misspelled as NEICE. The right spelling for niece is NIECE, and that's niece, NIECE. Next, any information or document which show that something is true is considered as proof. That is, any information or documents which show that something is true is called proof, which is commonly misspelled as PRUFE. But the correct spelling for proof is PROOF, and that's proof, PROOF, proof. Next, chief. Chief is the person who has command or control over an organization, and he is called chief, which is commonly misspelled as CHIEF. And the correct spelling for chief is CHEIF, and that's CHEIF. This is the right spelling for chief. Next, something which transports people or things from place to place is called vehicle, which is commonly misspelled as VEHICAL, and the correct spelling for vehicle is VEHICLE, and that's VEHICLE is the correct spelling for vehicle. And next, deceive. Deceive is the action of making somebody to believe something that is not true, that is saying lie. and it is called deceive, which is commonly misspelled as DECIEVE. And the correct spelling for the action of lying is DECEIVE, and that's DECEIVE. Something that tastes a lot of sugar is called sweet, which is commonly misspelled as SWEAT, but the correct spelling for sweet is SWEET, and that's sweet, SWEET. Next, a soft red juicy fruit that is often eaten in salads are called tomatoes, and the plural form of tomato is tomatoes, which is commonly misspelled as TOMATOS, but the correct spelling for tomatoes is TOMATOES, and that's tomatoes, TOMATOES. And yes, there ends the video. Hope you all learned around 10 words and its correct spellings. Meet you in the next video. Thank you.